Top 5 Polygon Bikes. Hey guys, and welcome to Ajsvlog. In today's video, we're going to be checking the top 5 Polygon cycles. The two-seater tandem comes in at number 5.
Let's check out some of the basic specs of the bike now. The 24-speed gear set has Shimano Altis rear derailleurs and Shimano Tourney front derailleurs. The both front and rear has a V-brake braking system. The integrated brake and gear levers are mounted on a 620mm handlebar. The front fork is a rigid fork. The hand grips are quite grippy and the seat is very comfortable. The 27.5-inch tires are mounted on double-wall alloy rims. Quick release levers are available on both wheels. Quick release levers are present on both seat posts. Plastic pedals come standard on the bike. A side stand is also provided. Now those are the basic specs which are common across most bikes. On the tandem cycle, the second handlebar is fixed to the front rider's seat post. The front also is adjustable, so again you can adjust it for your comfort. As the name suggests, both the riders have to ride in tandem. They have to put an equal amount of pressure while pedaling and also stop pedaling at the same time. So at the back there is a double crank system. That's how the power is transferred from the front rider to the wheel. Though the controls are with the front rider, both of them have to cycle together to ensure that they get a good ride. With a price of 44,000 rupees, this is the Polygon Impression AX.
The Polygon Cascade 4 comes in at 4. The Cascade 4 has an aluminium frame made of 6061 alloy and weighs in at about 15 kgs, which is about how much most of these mountain bikes do weigh. The drivetrain is an 8x3, so it's 24 gears with Shimano Tourney rear derailleurs and Shimano Altis front derailleurs. The front suspension is a 100mm travel suspension from SR Suntour. This does not have a lockout, but the preload can be adjusted. The integrated brakes and gear shifters are from Shimano Tourney and are mounted on a 700mm handlebar. This 700mm handlebar is mounted on a short stem. This is a feature in all the polygons I've seen so far. They have a very short stem, giving you better control over the bike. While the hand grips are quite grippy, the seat is quite comfortable too. The tires are from Kenda. They're 27.5 by 2.1 tires and they're mounted on double wall alloy rims. Braking is provided by dual mechanical disc brakes, 160mm discs by Tektro, plastic pedals, 2 accessory mounting points, and a stand comes standard with the bike. With a price of 25,500 rupees, this is the Cascade 4. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share. The Urbano foldable cycle comes in at 3. The Urbano has a 7-speed gear set with Shimano rear derailleurs and a rotor shifter in the front. The dual V brakes offer good stopping power and are a low maintenance hassle-free option. To ensure a clean ride in all weather, they do come with plastic mudguards installed. For those of you who have to carry a bag during your commute, they do give a carrier as standard with elastic straps. The seat and the hand grips are from Entity and offer a lot of comfort. Considering this is meant for urban commute, they do offer a bell for your safety. The pedals are a foldable variety and ensure that they occupy less space. There is a stand provided to ensure that you can park it anywhere.
With a price of 27,990 rupees, this is the Polygon Urbano.
The Premier 5 comes in at 2. The drivetrain is a 9x3, so the 27 gears, Shimano Acera rear derailleurs and Shimano Altis front derailleurs. The front fork is a 120mm with a hydraulic lockout and load adjuster. Your tires are a 27 by 2.25 inch tire mounted on double wall alloy rims. The hydraulic brake levers and the Altis gear shifters are mounted on a 780mm handlebar which has a nice short stem, giving you better control. Braking is provided by dual hydraulic disc brakes. They are 160mm higher discs from Tektro. Plastic pedals are standard, as are two accessory mounting points. The hand grips and the seat, both by Entity, offer quite a bit of riding comfort. The frame is a 6061 ALX alloy frame, so it's quite light and quite tough too. With a price of 36,000 rupees, this is the 2020 version of the Polygon Premier 5. And at number 1, we have the full suspension Siskiyou D5. Being a full suspension bike primarily targeting trails, this has a 18 speed, that's a 9x2 gear set. Braking is provided by dual disc brakes. You have a 180mm disc brake in the front and a 160mm at the back. The Siskiyou D5 has an air shocker for the rear suspension and a hydraulic fork in front. Both the suspensions are lockable. You have a little lever here which allows you to lock your rear suspension or your front suspension. The entire bike has a 120mm travel. So basically both the front fork and the rear can travel for 120mm. That's a drop of 120mm. The preload is adjustable on both, so depending on your weight, you can adjust both the rear and frontal shock absorber as per your requirement. The hydraulic brake levers and the Alivio gear shifters are mounted on a 780mm handlebar. This handlebar itself is mounted on a super short stem. So the advantage is you get amazing control. The 27 by 2.25 tires are mounted on NTT X15 double wall alloy rims. The frame is an ALX 6061 alloy frame, which makes it super light and very tough too. The bike weighs in at about 15 kgs, which is not bad considering it's a full suspension bike. With a price of 76,490 rupees, this is an amazing full suspension bike for anyone looking to hit the trails and really rescend it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends. And until next time, safe ride everyone.